The GoPro 9. Bum bum bum. Just got this today, ordered it 2 days ago. It's got hyper smooth 3.0, 5K 30 plus 4K 60, waterproof to 33 feet or 10 meters for our friends across the pond. 1080p live streaming. Looks like they gave us a nice hard case. GoPro app. This is what's in the box. Some doodads and dongles and pongles. Super photo plus HDR, webcam, touchscreen. So let's check her out. I'm currently recording on a GoPro Hero 8. We're gonna do a comparison between the Hero 8, Hero 9, and the Max. Between me and Dayton Software LLC, shout out. We have all 3 cameras. Here is the camera. The lens is a little different than the 8. It feels slightly heavier than the 8 and the Max. So we get the camera. What other cool little knickknacks do they include? USB-C-A to USB-C charging cable. Hey, the new and improved battery. The battery is supposed to last 30% longer. Very excited about that 30%. You get a little, some type of missile here, it looks like. A clip-in connector. And a 3M VHB adhesive. Slides in there. Tomahawk missile in there. And bam! You have an adhesive mount. Now this is curved. Probably better usage with a flat doodad there. They want you to recycle this. Thank you for reminding me. What do you got here? Book. Subscribe to GoPro. Up to $100 off your next GoPro if you subscribe. I did the subscription and they ended up giving me a pretty nice discount. Some instructions. So let's check this out. So this is similar to the 8. One thing I don't like about the 8 is this cap. If you pop this open, a lot of times it just does it on its own, but this thing flies off and falls down, and I don't like that. So you can kind of see in there, it's a little different style. The 8 just has a hook that goes over the top mount. This is actually, looks like it's screwed in. The battery compartment is much larger on the Hero 9. It takes up much more of the camera. So if you have the battery in here, you have to get this memory card in this tiny little slot, and it doesn't always go in the right way. So you've got to kind of finesse it. You need a little bit of nail. I got a little bit for you there. And then pop that out. And then these, one thing is these cards have a little raised edge there. And then I don't know how durable these tabs are, but I can picture that some users, let's check out this mechanism now. This is spring loaded now, this end tab. So on the 8, and I think the Max too, this you just pull it down. Maybe that's for more waterproofing when it's spring loaded. Screen size is a little bit larger. I feel like it's larger. The camera itself is bigger than the Hero 8. The other cool thing is, hey now, we got a front screen on the Hero 9. Woo woo woo! This is supposed to twist off. They have these lens mods now. We got standard, which is 1080 60 wide, activity 2.7K, 60 frames, super view, cinematic linear. That's kind of cool. A hello to the Mo. What's going on here? Ooh, settings. Hey guys, hello. It feels much more durable. This is a more solid metal than on the Hero 8. Oh yeah, it's certainly bigger. Let's see what the picture modes look like. Photo. You got wide, live burst, night. It's kind of cool that they have a night photo now. And what else do we got? Time lapse, video, photo. Time warp. That's, or is it time warp? There's time warp and time lapse and night lapse. That's the unboxing. Woo, the front screen is cool for people who record themselves. I see you. You know, this is a cool feature. I will be posting a comparison video for y'all to check out. please like and subscribe so you can keep up with us. But this front screen is very nice. It's bigger and nicer than the Max front screen. So I'm going to start shooting some videos in the 9 so you guys can check it out. And then again, we're going to be doing a big time comparison on the 3 cameras that they have out. You can also see here when you switch modes through your remote or the app, it shows up on the front. Buttons feel pretty good. One thing is I feel like this button is a little bit more pronounced, but I'll get more into that in the comparisons.